Ooh, it's been so long since I've seen you guys, and I'm kind of back. Maybe not. I don't know, but this is the Dcent card wallet. It's their newest Dcent S card wallet, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So be sure to check it out. So here we have the Dcent S card wallet. It's a new product made by Dcent, and in this video, we're gonna check it out. When we open the box, we have this map, and it's got two cards, right? We've got the regular card, and then we've got the backup card, so the recovery card. Now we need this one to set it up, and that's all there is to it, because this product doesn't have a battery or screen, right? So let me grab my phone, let me grab the card, let's set it up. So here's all we need, right? We need to download this, okay? So this is the app made by Dcent. If you want to know how, check my other videos on the products. Now in my case, because I already set up a wallet, I'm gonna go here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to manage all wallets. And then I can add a card wallet, which is the middle row, right? Let's select it. And it tells me to put the card behind the phone. It then says create a new wallet or recover an existing wallet. Now, since this is a new card, right, I need to create a new wallet. So let's click create new wallet and then create your Dcent S wallet. Create a new wallet. Now, to keep your assets safe, let's create a new wallet. I need to create a PIN. It then tells me to add a PIN again. And then it tells me to tap the card to the back again, right? The card registration is complete. So what I need to do right now is I need to back up my card, right? Because I don't want to lose all my assets. So let's click back up. I need to click back up again. And for that, I need to grab the recovery card, right? Which is this small piece, and then put it to the back of my phone. It's then reading the card, and now I need to enter my PIN, right? I then need to place the card to the back side of my phone again. And then it says enter your new recovery card PIN. I need to do it again. And I need to grab the recovery card, and I need to make sure that I place that to the back of my phone, right? And then it says your recovery card backup is complete. Let's click get started. Initializing wallet, loading my wallet, gives me this offer. It's on offer right now. If you want to, be sure to check out the link in my description. And boom, that's how we made this wallet live right now. Follow the link in my description if you want to get this card. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!